Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can update your Phantom Wallet app. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that Phantom Wallet is installed on your phone. And if it is installed, now you have to go to your App Store. So after going to your App Store, now tap on the search icon that you can see in the navigation bar right here. And then you will be able to see the search bar on the top. Tap on it and then start typing Phantom Wallet. So after typing Phantom Wallet, now tap on the search button on your keyboard and then you can see the app Phantom Wallet here. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, you will be able to see the option of open right here. So if your app need any kind of update, there will be the option of update. Since my app does not need any kind of update right now, there is the button of open. So if there is the button of update, simply just tap on it and it will take few times in order to update. And within few minutes, it will show the option of open just like this. And in order to open the app, all you have to do is tap on it just like this. You can see my Phantom Wallet app has been opened. And just like this, you can update your Phantom Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.